Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make Italian dough. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. First of all, you need half tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon water. If your dough is thick, you can add one more spoon as required. 4 tablespoon white glue and half tablespoon petroleum jelly and a bit of white color. So take any pan or any plate in which you will also cook these ingredients. I'm not taking non-stick pan because it was too big, so I'm taking this steel plate. Take 4 tablespoons of white glue and it is very thick, so I will use first 4 tablespoons of water, and later if I need I will add 1 or 2 tablespoons more. So normally you need equal amounts of white glue and water, but if your white glue is too thick you can add a bit of more water. Now add corn flour, mix it well and just add first 1 spoon and then the second one, and in this way add 1 spoon at one time, mix it and then add the other one. Mix it very well, and then after mixing it add half tablespoon of lemon juice in it. Again mix it, and then I will add about half tablespoon of petroleum jelly. Mix it and finally use small amount of white color. I'm using white oil color, and then mix it well. Now this mixture is ready to be cooked, so turn on the flame and keep it very low. Now put the pan or the plate on the stove and start to stir it with the help of spoon. Do not stop stirring at any point, and you need only 2 to 3 minutes almost to cook it. As you can see, it has already become thicker and soon it turns to a thicker mass. Moisture in it, so do not stop cooking. But soon, this is the point where it is almost cooked. It starts to leave the plate and gather together, so check it. So this is cooked. Now turn off the flame. Now shift this dough into another plate and do not forget to wash it as soon as possible. Now after shifting the dough into the other plate, start kneading it and do not wait to cool the dough. You can also knead some corn flour if you feel your dough is sticky, but my dough is not sticky, so I will not use the corn flour. And knead it at least for 5 to 8 minutes. After kneading the dough well, apply some petroleum jelly on your fingers and grease the inside of a shopping bag. Then put this dough into that shopping bag and tie it well, and then I will keep it in an airtight container later. So this is how you can make Italian dough. Now I will show you how to add colors, and I'm using oil paints. You can also use poster colors or acrylic colors, but oil colors are the best for the dough. And here I will show you how to add them. I'm using this light green oil color. Add a bit of it, and depending on the required shade you can add more or less. This is up to you. Mix it well, keep on mixing, and in this way, here it is. You can use it. Now keep it in a plastic bag and it is safe. Now I'm using another small amount of dough, and I will use a scarlet color. Add a bit of it according to your choice of shade. Keep on mixing it. Mix it well. And here it is, beautiful color of it, and keep it in a separate plastic bag. And in this way you can add as many colors as you want. So in this third case I have used this ultramarine color, which is quite a darker shade, and that's why I have used a very small amount of that oil color, because I need a lighter shade. Now keep it in a separate plastic bag, and this is how you can make as many colors as you want. I hope you will like the video. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos.